To set up Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, first of all, you will have to start by opening Watch application on your iPhone. Next, go to the My Watch on the left bottom corner and select Notifications. Over here, you have to scroll like all the way down. Then go to the Wallet and Apple Pay. Now click to add card. Wait a little bit, and over here we got all available options. So in my case, I want to add credit card. Here from the list you have to choose a bank. You can also use search or voice typing to do this faster. Now the base information, we have to click continue. Now we can place iPhone on our card, but you can also enter card details manually by clicking below. You can input all of this information from your card, name, number, then valid through, and the code that is available on the back of your card. And after you add your card by clicking continue and add, you can click on the side button 2 times. Take a look. First of all, we have to unlock our device, and now you will get this card that will appear over here. In my case, I didn't actually add it, but if you do, then you can get quick access, move it to the payment device, and it's everything.